Hello everyone and welcome to part 2 of our video series aimed at teaching you how to place orders. For today's video presentation, we'll teach you how to place buy above and sell below orders, which cannot be placed using limit orders. Buy above and sell below orders can be placed using stop loss limit or stop loss market orders. And this type of order is usually placed by intraday traders who prefer to do momentum trading. Once again, for this video presentation, we will be taking the example of TCS script. So what is a stop loss order? A stop loss order is an order which is triggered once a certain price condition is met. Stop loss orders are held in a separate order book from the normal order book. For more details regarding all such features of stop loss orders, please do check out our stop loss order explanation video. So without further ado, let us check out how to use stop loss orders in order to buy above a particular price. First off, you need to set the trigger price as the price you would like to buy above. The price in case of stop loss limit orders needs to be set at a price which is greater than the trigger price, and in case of stop loss market orders, it needs to be kept as 0 or market or blank. Now we'll look at a visual representation of a buy above order. In the screenshot, which has been taken from my Infinity Trading Terminal, you can see that the current market price is 2764. You are a momentum trader who wishes to buy this script above 2770. What do you do in this case? If you place a limit buy order at 2770, what happens, as explained in the previous video, is the order will get executed at the current market price, which is 2764, and which is against your wishes. In this case, what you need to do is place a stop loss limit or a stop loss market order with trigger price as 2770 and wait for the order to get executed once that level is reached. Now we move on to a live demo of how to place a buy above order in Infinity Trading Terminal. Now we are back to our Infinity Trading Terminal to check out how to place a buy above order. First off, let us select TCS, F1 or plus. Change the order type to stop loss market order. As you can see, the price column has been blocked and has been mentioned as MKT, which cannot be modified. In this case, as you can see, the current market price is 2688 and thereabouts. You would like to buy TCS above 2700. Set the trigger price as 2700. Since this is an order type which is used mostly by intraday traders, I will change the product type to intraday and increase quantities to 100. Now I submit my order and confirm it. Before confirming, let me just tell you that this particular trading ID does not have any balance available, so the order will get rejected. The order went through and it got rejected, as you can see from the RMS window. Now let us look at how to place a buy above order using stop loss limit orders. Once again, select the script, press F1 or plus button to open the buy order entry window. Change product type to intraday, increase quantity to 100, change order type to stop loss or stop loss limit. Set the trigger price as 2700 or the price which you would like to buy above, and the price at a level which is more than the trigger price. Let us first see what happens if we keep the price below your trigger price. As soon as you submit, you will get a pop-up window saying that the buy order price should be greater than the trigger price and the order will not go through. So let us change this to 2705 and submit and confirm my order. Once again, the order gets rejected, but what will happen in this case is as soon as the price of 2700 is reached, your stop loss order becomes a limit buy order at 2705. Basically, the order executes within a range of 2700 and 2705. Now let us move back to our presentation window to check out sell below orders. How do you place a sell below order? For a sell below order, what you need to do is set the trigger price as the price you would like to sell below, and the price for stop loss limit order as a price which is less than the trigger price or equal to it. For stop loss market orders, you can leave it as blank, 0 or market. A visual representation of a sell below order can be seen here. The current market price as per this screenshot is 2760. You would like to sell below 2740 in this case. What do? You obviously do not place a sell limit order because it will execute immediately at the price of 2760. You place either a stop loss market or a stop loss limit order to sell it below 2740 by setting trigger price as 2740. Now a look at a demo of how to place a sell below order. Once again, we are back to our Infinity Trading Terminal. Now you would like to sell below a particular price. First off, let us check the current market price of TCS. It is trading close to 2684. You would like to sell it below 2680. Select the TCS script and press F2 or minus button to open the sell order entry window. Here, we will place an intraday trade, so we change the product type to intraday. Set quantity as 100, change order type to SL market, and set the trigger price as 2680. That is the price you would like to sell below. Now, what you need to do is submit and confirm your order. And the order goes through. For a sell below order, using stop loss limit orders, what you need to do is once again click on the script, open your sell order entry window by pressing F2 or minus button, change order type to stop loss, change trigger price to 2680, the price below which you would like to sell, change product type to intraday, quantity 100, and make sure that the price is below your trigger price in case of stop loss limit orders. In this case, as you can see, the price is obviously above your trigger price. What happens if you submit this order in this case? You get a pop-up window which says that the sell order price should be less than the trigger price. Click on OK. Now, what range would you like to sell below? For this example, let us suppose that you would like to sell this particular script below 2680 and in between the prices of 2680 and 2675. So you set the price as 2675 and submit and then confirm your order. The order goes through. With this, we come to an end of our discussion of every type of market entry orders. Thank you. For opening accounts, please do give us a missed call at 90037900027. Do like our video and subscribe to our channel.